and welcome to my garden and the dinosaurs who live there. I'm out of breath, I'm hot and sweaty, and you can see smoke rising behind me. That's because we have had a tree felled and we're burning some of the branches that aren't worth keeping, and then sort of chopping up and putting the rest of it aside so that I can use it for wood for my wood burner. So we're puffed out, but it's amazing. I'll try and put some footage on of the tree as it was being felled and the tree before it was felled. But now if I turn you around, you should see a big gap between, there's two trees and then there's our little cottage in the middle. And in that gap there was a huge tree, and that's what we got taken down. So just a quick video. I want to try and post more, but it's all a bit manic here at the moment. But I hope you're doing okay, and if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye bye for now.